introduce our members and office bearers of this IMA Kodambakam branch. I now request Dr. Chandrachari to come forward and introduce our members.
On behalf of the Election Commission, Dr. Dakshinamurthy, from the Secretariat, it is my privilege to invite the office bearers, President Dr. Eglerson, Vice President Dr. Shanti, Secretary is not here, Joint Secretary, Communication Secretary, Dr. Shakul Amit, Dr. Sandeep, anyone else have Dr. Ranganath? No. I invite any members of the audience to honor our elected representatives. It's my privilege to invite them.
On behalf of the founder members of this branch, I would like to I would like to first congratulate and honor Dr. Mani, who is the outgoing president.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Dr. Bhupati, I forgot Dr. Bhupati. No, election committee is neutral. Election committee is neutral. This side. Other side, I think.
We have to honor.
Group photo. No, installation. Sir, having served in Chennai from 1983 down now, I have seen the death of one or two associations. One was International Medical Sciences Academy, started by the Dayan Narasimha Rao, who was the president of the MCA in the earlier days. It was taken over by KJ Hospital chief. When he came along with Veerabhadran, we went and requested him merge with IMA. Let us all work together. They refused. Very unfortunately, he did not hand it over to the next generation, and no more meetings are being conducted. There is a cycle of life. Cycle of life is Pudiyana Pugudalum, Pagayana Kavidalum. That is cycle of life. Therefore, bringing the new people is a bounden duty of any associations. Now I invite the outgoing president, Dr. Mani, to give a copy of the Constitution by which the president stands and swears to the new president and install him.
Thank you so much. I have a problem.
Photo.
It's the best. Right.
I invite Dr. Mani to say a few words and Dr. Eglerson to say a few words that will complete the installation ceremony.
So I am happy to say that during my period I was able to webcast all our IMA activities till today, and it will be done in the future also. One of our few branches are, I think only in city, our branch is the only branch which is continuously posting their activities, CMA activities in the web. You can go and see, till today it has been uploaded. And I'm very happy to say that our branch has got 3 awards, including Dr. Selvam got the Lifetime Achievement Award of our IMA Kodambakam branch from the Tamil Nadu Medical Association. So we got the Best President Award and Best Secretary Award and Best CMA activities during my period. I wish Dr. Elderson and his team all the very best.
So it is my pleasure to take this responsibility. This is a place where all stalwarts have been there. I remember Dr. Veerabhadan was the first president for this society, and to fit into shoes of such kind of stalwarts, Dr. Selvam and Dr. Dakshinamurthy. There are lots of great people who had been presidents earlier, and my own close friends as Chaudappa and Sridharan were also presidents. So I am extremely comfortable that I am being guided by very good people, right? And so leadership is very important for groups which are not leaders by themselves, but this is a team of leaders. So we really don't have to lead much, only when, you need certain people to be led, but in our team, we don't need a big leader. All of us are leaders and all of us know how to handle it. So it's very simple job for me, right? But, living up to the responsibilities and like what Dr. Mani said, achieving something new, right, is something which I have to find out. Great pleasure. Thank you very much for this opportunity, and I hope to live up to the confidence that is reposed on me. Thank you very much.